How to get Robux using Microsoft Rewards. Go to bing.com, not Google, and then search for Microsoft Rewards and click the official link. Log in using your Microsoft account. Once logged in, you'll see your reward points. These points can be used to redeem rewards, including Robux. Now, to earn points, complete daily tasks shown on the reward page. Do searches using Bing, not Google. Click and complete any quizzes or polls. Each completed task gives you points. This is how to redeem the Robux. On the reward page, click for redeem. Search for Robux or Roblox. For example, 400 Robux cost 6,000 points. Once you reach enough points, you can redeem them for Robux. That's it. Just keep doing the daily Bing task to build up your points.